The world is entering a new era where artificial intelligence doesn't just support work, it reshapes it. But the real truth is this: AI is not here to replace people. It's here to replace people who refuse to evolve. While many fear job losses, a quiet revolution is happening. People who upgrade their skills, who learn data, who build financial foundations, and who position themselves correctly are entering the most secure and profitable era in human history. This video breaks down exactly how your job can evolve, how your career can stay relevant, and how your finances can grow in an AI-driven world. Not with fear, but with strategy. The future of work has arrived. AI is no longer futuristic. It is already integrated into everyday work, sometimes visible, sometimes hidden. Banks use AI for fraud detection. Hospitals use AI to read scans faster than doctors. Schools use AI to create lessons. Businesses use AI to automate customer service, marketing, payroll, and scheduling. But despite all this, entire professions are not disappearing. Instead, tasks are disappearing. The repetitive, predictable, low-value tasks are being removed. This means jobs are transforming into hybrid roles, human judgment plus AI tools. A marketer who uses AI to analyze customer behavior instantly becomes more valuable. An accountant who uses AI to automate calculations becomes faster and more accurate. A teacher who uses AI to create personalized lessons becomes more effective. AI does not eliminate opportunity. It multiplies opportunity for the people who learn how to work with it. The income gap is increasing, not between rich and poor, but between people who can use AI and people who cannot. Call to action. Begin by identifying tasks in your own job that are repetitive. These tasks are where AI will enter first. Your goal is not to fight it, but to learn how to supervise it. Personal finance in an AI-driven world. As work changes, personal finance must evolve with it. Traditional money habits are becoming outdated. More people are freelancing, remote working, or running micro-businesses. Income streams are becoming diverse. Expenses are rising. And financial literacy is no longer optional. AI brings powerful financial advantages, but only for people who understand how to use them. Financial apps now analyze spending, predict bills, automate savings, and invest spare change. AI budgeting tools can identify unnecessary expenses you didn't realize you had. Smart investment platforms automatically rebalance your portfolio. This means the path to financial stability is now simpler, if you let technology assist you. Steps to secure your personal finances with AI. 1. Automate a small amount of savings weekly or monthly. 2. Build an emergency fund equal to at least 2 to 3 months of expenses. 3. Use AI tools to track spending and reveal hidden financial leaks. 4. Start micro-investing to build a habit of long-term wealth creation. 5. Use AI to build a spending forecast so you can plan ahead instead of reacting. Advantages: your finances stay strong even if your job shifts or your income changes. And you build long-term stability instead of living month to month. Data, the new fuel for job security. In an AI-first economy, people who understand data become extremely valuable. This does not mean you must become a programmer. Data literacy simply means understanding charts, dashboards, trends, and basic analytics tools. Data has become the foundation of modern decision-making. Every business relies on it: marketing, finance, logistics, sales, operations, healthcare, government, technology, and more. AI is powerful, but it depends entirely on data. If the data is wrong, the AI becomes useless. This creates a new class of professionals, people who manage and interpret data. Examples of data skills that make your job AI-proof: reading analytic dashboards, using spreadsheets to organize information, understanding business metrics, using tools like Notion, Airtable, or Excel, knowing how to extract insights from simple data patterns, being able to prompt AI correctly to analyze data for you. Even basic familiarity gives you an advantage, because many workers still fear data. Steps to build data literacy: 1. Start practicing with spreadsheets, totals, filters, charts. 2. Learn how to read a performance dashboard. 3. Explore a simple data entry or data management task. 4. Use AI to summarize data or generate insights. 5. Understand the key metrics in your field: sales numbers, engagement, profit margins, conversions, or performance indicators. Advantages: you become someone the company cannot function without. You become the link between AI systems and real-world decision-making. You become a globally valuable talent with opportunities in any industry. Data management, your career insurance. Data management is one of the fastest-growing skills in the world, because AI systems cannot operate without accurate information. Companies rely heavily on organized, structured data to function daily. Data management includes cleaning and organizing company information, keeping customer records updated, using platforms like Salesforce or HubSpot, mastering spreadsheet organization, understanding cloud storage systems, building small automations to speed up workflows. AI cannot replace this because it requires human judgment. Even when AI assists in sorting data, humans must verify, correct, and approve the information. Steps to evolve into data management: 1. Learn to structure files clearly in cloud storage. 2. Practice using data forms or CRM systems. 3. Use AI to help you organize documents or categorize information. 4. Learn a small amount of database logic using no-code tools. 5. Build simple automations that move data between apps. Advantages: your job becomes future-proof. You become part of the core foundation of the company. And you gain skills that transfer to any career path. Investment foundation for an AI economy. The world's fastest-growing companies are driven by AI. People who invest in these sectors gain the financial growth that matches the direction of the economy. Examples of growing sectors: AI hardware and chips, cloud computing, robotics and automation, data centers, cybersecurity, software platforms, digital infrastructure. These companies supply the backbone of AI. Building a strong investment foundation does not require large capital. It requires consistency and smart choices. Steps to build an investment foundation: 1. Start investing small amounts regularly. 2. Diversify your portfolio across AI-driven industries. 3. Use AI tools to analyze stocks or trends. 4. Focus on long-term growth instead of quick profits. 5. Build an investment schedule you follow monthly. Advantages: your wealth grows as AI grows. You build passive income. You protect yourself against job instability. You position yourself in the fastest expanding economy of our time. AI-driven growth across sectors. AI is creating explosive growth across multiple industries. Understanding where opportunity is rising helps you choose the right career direction or investment path. Examples of sectors transforming rapidly: finance, AI fraud detection, risk analysis, automated trading. Healthcare, AI diagnostics, robotic surgery, patient management. Education, personalized learning, digital tutoring. Manufacturing, smart robotics, predictive maintenance. Marketing, AI content generation, targeting algorithms. Logistics, automated route optimization. Real estate, AI property valuation, virtual assistant systems. Opportunities exist for anyone willing to develop skills within these systems. Steps to position yourself for growth. 1. Pick a sector you naturally connect with. 2. Research how AI is transforming that sector. 3. Learn the essential tools used in that industry. 4. Build a small portfolio demonstrating your AI-assisted work. 5. Stay updated with new trends and tools. Advantages: you rise with the industry instead of resisting it. You gain access to higher-paying roles. Your experience grows in value year after year. Practical steps to evolve your job. This is where your transformation becomes actionable. Career evolution is not complicated. It is a series of practical, achievable steps. Step 1. Identify repetitive tasks in your job. Emails, scheduling, research, calculations, reporting — these are tasks AI can automate. Your goal is to supervise, not compete with automation. Step 2. Strengthen the human skills AI cannot replace. Creativity, strategy, critical thinking, communication, problem solving. These skills increase your value instantly. Step 3. Use AI to increase your work speed and quality. AI becomes a personal assistant, handling drafts, planning, organizing, analyzing, and suggesting improvements. Step 4. Build at least one digital side income. Freelancing, content creation, digital products, online services. AI makes all these easier than ever. Step 5. Invest early in AI-driven sectors. Even small investments compound over time. Step 6. Learn cross-sector skills. Data, finances, digital tools, automation. These skills are universal and highly valuable. Step 7. Document your progress. Keep a record of your projects, improvements, AI-assisted tasks, and results. This becomes proof of your evolving value. Advantages: you become a hybrid professional. You combine human intuition with AI efficiency. This makes you irreplaceable. Final message: your AI-proof evolution. The future belongs to the prepared. Not to the lucky. Not to the naturally talented. But to those who choose to adapt. AI is not your competition. It is your multiplier. It multiplies your speed, your intelligence, your creativity, and your opportunities. Your job does not need to fear AI. Your job needs to evolve with AI. Start with small steps. Build financial strength. Learn data. Master digital tools. Follow industry growth. Position yourself early. Your evolution begins the moment you decide it does. The world is changing fast. But with the right actions, you will not just survive the AI revolution, you will thrive in it. Thanks for watching Future Finance Insights. If you want more clarity on the markets, investing strategies, and the future of money, subscribe now and turn on notifications.